You clicked on the video. You're trying to save money. You wouldn't be watching this video if you got it like that, because you don't got it like that. You're broke. I'm broke. We're all broke, and that's why we're gonna save money. Won't you take me away? Take me away with you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about 10 easy, fast ways to make that money, sis. To make that dough, that paper, that guap, whatever you call it.
Taste a bag. Don't worry about what I'm doing.
I'm gonna have you guys pockets full. Your pockets are gonna be so full. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Francesca hooked a girl up. She got it. She's it. She got it. So I'm gonna, spill the tea a little bit. But before I continue talking and saying random-ish, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button. Or is it a button or is it the bell? Whatever it is. You know why you should hit it? So you're notified when I post a video. You need to be notified. The heck? Look at this dress.
Boy, if you don't...
When I'm looking down, it's because I have it written down. And I'm a person, when I'm doing a video, I tend to if I have a bunch of things in my head and I start talking about one thing, all the ideas that I ever thought of that I wanted to bring up, gone. So we're not doing it like that. Number one is the 24-hour rule. And basically what this 24-hour rule is say if you're online shopping and you have a lot of things in your cart and it's like Fashion Nova. You have 4 things in your cart, it's only $300. So, boo, you gotta think twice on those decisions. So I always say that if you want something, take 24 hours to think about it, and most likely half the things in your cart, or maybe a percentage of the things in your cart, you won't want. So that's why 24-hour rule is the best. If you're just, if that person that likes to shop online, or you can't handle yourself. You have no control over yourself. It's just an addiction. I get it. I have the problem too. We're on the same boat. I get it, and I get it. Another tip for saving money is have your, so if you get paid, direct deposit, get the cha-ching every Friday, every Thursday. I don't know when you get paid, but when you do, try to see if you can set up when you write the form. Say you want, let's say, half of your check put into your savings account. So what I used to do is, say if I got paid $400, I would take $200 or $250 and put in my savings. And every time I get paid, I put in my savings, so that way I have money saved. I never touch it, and whatever I have left is what I can spend. So if I have $100 left, that I can only spend $100, and I can't go over that. You make a budget for yourself, it really helps you because you spend less than what you would have if you didn't make a budget for yourself. If you see $400 in your bank account, whereas $100, you're gonna feel like, I got so much money to spend. But when you see the $100, you're like, I don't have any money to spend. I'm gonna save this $100 so it can last the whole week. Another way to save money is eating out less, and that's something I had to learn because I used to just eat fast food because I knew I had the money in my account and I knew I didn't want to go home and it was convenient for me. So instead of eating before I went out and then I'd be hungry when I was out. So obviously I know I have money, I can spend it. So when you make it a choice to tell yourself, no, if I'm hungry, I have to eat home now, or I will have to wait until I come home to get food, you can save so much money. Instead of paying $20 a day for food, and that say if you spend $20 a day for food, in 5 days, bitch, that's already $100.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
And that $100 could have been saved. So you need to think about what you're spending your money on. I almost fell in the camera trying to explain that. Another way is by checking your subscriptions. So a lot of the times you might have freaking Hulu, Netflix, I don't know what the heck they have out there now for subscriptions, but you can do so many subscriptions, and a lot of the times we forget about all the subscriptions we have, and they're taking our money out of our bank accounts. They're robbing us for free, and it's legal. So on your spare time, check out your account, look at your subscriptions, cancel them if you don't use it, because all that money is you can save. Even if it's like $5.99 a subscription, $12.99 a subscription, you can save your money very easily. Like, I know a lot of people that have gym memberships that are like $25 a month, or they have like a really nice membership where it's like $80 a month, and it's just like, you're not using it. You don't go to the gym. If you go to the gym, I get it, but if you have a subscription just sitting there taking your money, that money could be saved and put right back in your pocket. Another way would be setting a goal. So like, if you set a goal, like if you make a vision board, or you say, I'm going to have $1,000 by this time, and you make the calculations. Always have a goal, because if you don't have a goal, you're not gonna really be motivated to continue saving. Tell yourself that, oh my god, I want to be able to save $10,000 by the end of 2019. You can save it depending on when you started. Say like, instead of saying the end of 2019, more so like 12 months from now, I want to have $10,000 in my account. Or 10 months from now, I want to be able to buy everything that I wanted to buy. You know what I'm saying? 6 months from now, 4 months from now, 5 months from now. Set a goal for yourself. Set a priority for yourself for you to follow thoroughly. And your money will be stacking. It will be stacked high, sis. Another way is finding apps that give you cash back, or rewards cards. So it could be like for gas, or for clothing, anything. Like for me, I do gas at Mobile gas station, Exxon, and every time I use my card, they give me like, I think it's like 5 cents per gallon. I think that's how it works, 5 cents per gallon. And I remember one day I lost my card. My credit card wasn't with me. I didn't have any cash, and I needed gas. Like, I needed gas so bad, and I was alone. I wasn't with anyone, and I was like, damn, how am I gonna put gas in my car? So I was like, I found one of my I found the rewards card in the card. I was like, oh my god, let me see how much money it is. Girl, I had $50 in there. I filled up my tank, 40, and I was living lavish. Save your gas savings and rewards. It piles up. It might not seem like that, 5 cents a gallon, but when you do gas, like every week that you do gas, or whenever you do gas, it's going to pile up. Which is why I say that a rewards card, or anything that gives you cash back, is good. You know what I'm saying? Because you earn back from it. If I wasn't doing that rewards, I wouldn't have that $50 to spend to do gas. Another thing that we all abuse and we never take advantage of is selling our old stuff, selling things that we don't use. Like, I have so many clothes that I need to just go through and just give away, Goodwill, or sell online, because a lot of the times your trash is somebody else's treasure. Tell yourself, do you really wear it? Try everything on. Do you like it? Does it fit the way you want it to fit? Not saying that you have to throw it away in the trash, but you can make money from what you have. So look at your clothes, look at what you don't use. I know we have this all inside of us. We all want to hog and hoard our clothes.
The dogs are enjoying laying on all my clothes because they have mommy's scent.
Like, no. Like, I might need this for whatever. No, you don't need it. Throw it away. Give it to Goodwill, or sell it online. Sell it on eBay. Sell it wherever. Like, dude, like, people will buy your clothes, okay? Recycle that hoe. Tell Bonquisha bye. Like, for instance, let me grab, like, look, I have a great example. This shirt, ugly as hell. When am I gonna wear this? You know when I got this? This is from Aeropostale. I don't know who goes to Aeropostale anymore. I used to go to Aeropostale all the time when I was younger. I've had this shirt since 8th grade, okay? 8th grade. So that says a lot about it right now. I'm in college now. Yeah. I'm in college now, and I got this in 8th grade. My example, sell your stuff. I know mad people that would want that are in 8th grade right now. So sell your stuff. Stop buying cigarettes, tobacco, weed, papers, grinder, anything that you need that's not a necessity, get it out. Because I know a lot of people, like, you know, they want their weed, they smoke their weed, and weed's expensive, very expensive. So that's why I say, cut down on the weed, cut down on the cigarettes, cut down on tobacco, cut down on whatever you're doing, cut it out. Take it out of your life, because you'll save so much money. You will see that if you stop spending that, like, say if you take all that money that you've been spending every week or whatever, how many times you buy your stuff, and you just put it aside in a jar, you're gonna see, like, damn! I waste all my money on an irrelevant stuff. Like, you can live without it. If you can live without it, stop using it. Another one would be buy when there's sales. So if you know, like, for instance, like, if you want to buy a new TV, a lot of the times people wait until Black Friday to buy their TVs because they know that the TV that they really want is going to be cheaper, and they would save money on that. So if you know you can save, don't think that you have to buy it when it first comes out. Me and my friend, she bought a dress, and I bought the same dress, but that same dress was on clearance, and it was so funny because she paid full price for it. So like I said, if you can save and wait, that's why the 24-hour rule is even better, because if you wait, you never know that that dress or that shirt or those shoes you wanted would go on sale, and you're like, wow, I almost paid full price. Another one would be keep your money in a high savings account. And what that means is, I mean, a high savings account, well, whatever, I'll explain. So like, when you have a savings account that has a high interest rate, when they give you back money for keeping money in your savings account, it's more than what a regular savings account from another bank would be. So like, an example is, I use the 360, I think it's 360 checkings. No, the 360 something account from Capital One. You'll know. Like, if you go on Capital One, type in 360 whatever checkings account or whatever savings account, you'll see it. Capital One is pretty good. I'm not sure of what other banks do, but for right now, I know Capital One does that. And last but not least, sit back, relax, and just let that money simmer, boo. Let that money simmer. Those are my 10 tips on how to save money fast. Aren't they fast? You know why they're fast? Because all of it can be done in a snap of fingers. You can do it yourself. You don't need nobody else to do it for you. So like I said, I'm giving you guys a tea so you guys can have money in your accounts, because I know everybody's not rich. Nobody's, you know, we all not famous out here. We all work regular jobs. So if you're that person like me that works a regular job, that still goes to school and needs to know how to save money, because obviously your parents aren't a piggy bank when life gets real. I'm just gonna put it out there like that. You know, life is real when you're on YouTube looking up how to save money. You clicked on the video, you're trying to save money. You wouldn't be watching this video if you got it like that, because you don't got it like that. You're broke. I'm broke. We're all broke, and that's why we're gonna save money. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for new content. Thanks for watching. Peace.